welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy US number in the store. So you remember in the first video after I uploaded, there is you can be able to change your Play Store. You can see 1 2 3 4. It must show this 4. So I said any app that is not in Nigerian Play Store, you search for it after you have connected, you have switched your Play Store. So what you need to do now, I was checking about that app, look at it, 5 survey, look at it, and it's not in Nigerian Play Store. If I may ask, or if I may want to check, it's not in Nigerian Play Store. So what do I need to do now? Okay, let me use here and check so that you can see. Look at 5 survey. You can see it's not in Nigerian Play Store. It's not in Nigerian Play Store, but here it's in US Play Store. You can see this is 3, this is 4. So now we want to buy US number, and the app we need for US number, we need this app. You can use this app, Numero, or you can use Text Plus. By the way, I'm going to show you all this in this aspect. Let me use now I'm going to check Numero app. So this is it. So me, I already have it. I already have the Numero. That is why it shows like that. Unless I open it. Then here, why here on the Nigerian Play Store, even when we check Numero, you can see it's not here. It's not in Nigerian Play Store. So this US Play Store. So since I have it, I'll just click on open. Open is loading. You wait, let it load. So after it has opened, all what you have to do is to click this place. Here, after it has opened, I mean, you have to register. Yeah, I have registered my own, but to register is not that difficult. You use your Nigerian number first to register. If you use a Nigerian number, then it will display like this, pop up like this. Then you press here, phone number. What type of number? US special offer. You click it. When it load, you select which of the city do you want. Which city do you want? Do you prefer? So you select the city, anyone you want to use. Many people love New York City and so on. So let me select one so that you can see. New York City, I select one. It's loading. So if I select one, what you need to do is to scroll down and choose for only 1 month. So look at it here. You select this. Immediately you select this thing, you're going to pop up annual plan. You press continue. It's going to ask you the payment gateway. How do you want to pay? Okay, you have selected. It will ask you buy number now. I have to off my Play Store activation, but let me just press and see. I press to purchase the number automatic. Yeah, it is going to show you this kind of message. Buy WhatsApp number, but it's not WhatsApp number we need for now. So immediately press buy number now. It's going to automatically take you. Let me off my Play Store. Let me off my OP card. Let me pause the video. So I've off my Visa card transaction. So you press you press acknowledge. I acknowledge, then you press continue. So now it's going to ask you, do you want to buy with Visa card or with Play Store this thing. So you have to link your card. Maybe in the subsequent video I'm going to make a video on how you can be able to link your card. And if you just press link here, if you have a redeem code, you can redeem. Then you click Play Store. If you click Play Store, you press buy. So immediately, if you link your Play Store card, it's going to purchase it automatically. As you can see, okay, it's loading. Let me just try to do it and see. It's loading something. Let's see. Immediately load, is going to ask you, do you want to make payment to this? Confirm. Yes, they are going to send you OTP automatic from your bank, but I prefer you should use OP so that you can be able to off and on the card in your setting. Like here now, you can see where I blocked my own card. Yeah, blocked card, so I can on it and off it. So that is how it will be. After you have purchased the number, then you are good to go. You are going to get the number. After you get the number, you see something here. Here is for call. So here is my Nigerian number. Then here is my US number. If I want to call, if anybody wants to call me, this is my US number. And remember, here is showing you something like failed. I will explain that in subsequent video. I don't intend to make this video very long. Yeah, and this is SMS. They can send you messages. So this one is for the new app. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.